Former Parañaque councilor Alma Moreno became the subject of the program of Raffy Tulfo. Teresa Grenard went to Raffy Tulfo in action, complaining the actress left her condo unit without paying the rent. Grenard said Moreno only paid for the first month but didn't pay rent for the 5 more months that she stayed there. The actress also failed to pay the electricity bill worth more than 40,000 pesos and the water bill, resulting in the disconnection of service. Grenard told Tulfo she will no longer charge the actress Politico for overstaying, but Moreno should at least give her 40,000 pesos for the electricity bill.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.